Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody asked me, how are people drawing in Corel making the reflection look darker and kind of fading into the bisque? Looks like it's, underwater almost. I just drew a simple star, and colored it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to change the colors. Let's go to Object and ungroup this. And let's change this to yellow and see what happens. So I'm just clicking on it and I'm left clicking fill, which is and painting it yellow. Now we need to group this together, Control G. And the best way to make this look good and really kind of figure out would be to draw a box, go ahead and make it black, go up to order, object, order, backup page. And then take your star and Control D to make a duplicate, grabbing the top handle where you get a 2-pointed arrow, and then hold down the control button. So now you have 2 stars. I find it easier if you'll shift select the other star and go up to group. That'll make those 2 stars one item. Now we can grab the transparency tool, and we're going to actually go opposite. We're going to put the black down here and put the white way up here. And then as you can see, I don't know why Corel does that sometimes. We can move this up and see how it's it is acting like it is a real reflection, and the reflection isn't as good. And the good thing about it, you can keep changing it and make it less and less and less. You see what it's doing is putting the transparency to basically 100, because if you put it back, it'll be back. But you need to kind of do this with the transparency tool because it's darker at the bottom than it is up top. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.